Welcome back to Matrix with DJ. In this video, we are discussing Chapter 1 Orienting Yourself, the Use of Coordinates, Grade 9, the MCQ based questions. So, then it's according to the new textbook. We can discuss this MCQ questions. Okay. So, the first question is, which of the following points does not lie in any quadrant? So we can check 1, 2. You know that 1, 2 means both are positive. Both points are positive means it is lie on first quadrant. And 4, 4 both are positive, so lie on first quadrant. This is also lie on first quadrant. Negative 2, negative 1 both are in third quadrant because both in negative, negative in third quadrant. So it is in third quadrant. But here 0, 5. 0, 5 means x-axis 0 and that means x coordinate. Abscissa is 0 and ordinate is 5. This point lie on x-axis. It is not lie on any of the quadrants. So 0, 5 is the correct answer. 0, 5, 0, negative 5 or 5, 0, 5, negative 0, 5, negative 5, 0. Such kind of points or like A0, 0A, such points are not lie on any of the quadrant. Next question. The coordinates of any points A and B are 5, 7 and 5, 5. The length of the line segment AB is 7 minus 5 units. This statement is true, false, can't say none of this. So for this, we can use distance formula, either distance formula, or we can use the distance between the coordinate points. Okay, both we can use. So here we can check A is the point A is 5, 7 and the point B is 5, 5. And the distance between 2 points, we know that root of x2 minus x1 the whole square plus y2 minus y1 the whole square. So then we will get the length of the line segment AB. So here x1 y1 is 5, 7 and x2 y2 is 6. So 5 minus x2 minus x1, 5 minus 5 the whole square plus y2 minus y1, 5 minus 7 the whole square. So we'll get 5 minus 7 the whole square. So that means 2. So root of 0, 5 minus 5 is 0, 0 plus 5 plus 5 minus 7 is 2, 2 square. 2 square. So that means root 4, that is 2. 2 is the distance. But as actually 2 units is the length of AB. But as per the statement given here, the length of the line segment AB is 7 minus 5. That means 12 units. So is it correct? No. This is false statement. So that we can write the correct answer is false. So this is the correct answer. So we can write answer is false. Option B. Option B is the correct answer. Next question is, the coordinates of the point of a point are 2, 8. Its distance from x-axis is dash. So here you can see that this is the coordinate plane and 2, 8 can be marked here. The x-axis 2 and x-axis 2 and the y-axis 8. So we can mark the points here as 2, 8. So here you can see that its distance from x-axis is, distance from x-axis means this distance, it is 8 units only. So it's 8 units is the correct answer. Option B. Okay, next question. The abscissa of all points on the x-axis is abscissa point on the x-axis. Point on the x-axis means y coordinate is always 0. So abscissa of all points on the x-axis can be any number because the point is of the form a comma 0. Y coordinate. X-axis means point on x-axis. Points on x-axis is of the form a0. That means y coordinate is 0. Okay. Y coordinate is 0. So any number is the correct answer. Option D is the correct answer. Next, the point at which the two coordinates axes meet is called the two coordinates, the x and the x-axis, x coordinate and the y axis. Both the coordinate axes meet at origin. So option C is the correct answer. A point both of whose coordinates are negative will be in, so both coordinates negative. So here you can see that first quadrant, second quadrant, second, third and fourth quadrant respectively. And in this you can see that in first quadrant positive coordinates, both are positive. In the second one negative positive, third one negative negative, and fourth one negative and positive. Sorry, positive and negative. So that we can write the negative, both the coordinates are negative is third quadrant. Okay, next it is the points -5 to 2, -5 lie in the same quadrant, second and third quadrant respectively, second and fourth quadrants respectively, fourth and second quadrants respectively. Okay, dears. So -5 2. So in the axis, we can check x-axis, y-axis, negative x, negative y. And you know that positive in first quadrant, and in second quadrant it is in second quadrant the points of the form negative and a positive format, and in third quadrant a negative and a negative, negative and a negative, and in fourth quadrant it is positive, I is positive and a negative. Okay. So here in the first one negative positive means in second quadrant. Okay, in second quadrant. So this or this may be, so the one, and 2 -5, that means a positive negative, that means it is in the fourth quadrant. So the first coordinate is, that means -5 2 is in second quadrant, and this 2 -5 is in the fourth quadrant. So option C is the correct answer. Next, the point whose ordinate is 4 and which lies on y-axis is. So the point whose ordinate means y coordinate is 4 and which is lie on y-axis. So you know that the point lie on y-axis is of the form, the point lie on the y-axis is of the form 0, means x coordinate will be 0 and y coordinate will be any number. So this will be 0. So the answer is 0, 4. And the 4 0, it won't work. 4 0 means the point on the y-axis. So here 0 4 is the correct group. That means 4 0 means a point on the x-axis. Okay. So A0 format means a point on x-axis. and 0a format. That means x coordinate 0, point on y axis. Okay, next question. And one, which of the following points, which of the points P03, Q10, R0 -1, S -50, T12 do not lie on the x-axis? So which of the points do not lie on the x-axis? So if it is not lie on the x-axis, you know that if it is lie on the x-axis, it is of the form A0 in the previous question we discussed. So if a point lie on x-axis, then the point is of the form a comma 0. Okay, so we have to avoid those points. So a comma 0, so 1 comma 0 here we have to avoid, then -50, so that we have to avoid. So the points, which are the other points, the remaining points which is do not lie on the x-axis, that means it can be P03, R and T. So P, R, T, P, R and T. So option C is the correct option. Option C is the correct option. Okay. -5, 0 and 1, 0 is lie on x-axis. Next question, the point lie on y-axis at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis is dash. Point which is lie on y-axis. So the point is lie on y-axis. So the x coordinate will be, you know that x coordinate is 0 and the format will be 0a. And at a distance of 5 units in the negative direction of y-axis. So y-axis is here, y dash, and